In this video, I'm going to show you how to group tabs in Zen Browser. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go up here to the top left where you can see your search box and you want to type in about and then the double dot config. Okay, when you do that, you want to click on it, and then here it's going to say proceed with caution. Just click on accept the risk and continue. And in here, you should type in the following. Okay, so type in what I'm going to paste in right here: browser.tabs.groups.enabled. Now, when you see this over here, you just basically double click on it to make it true, and then you can basically just close out of this. Okay, now you want to go ahead and open up some new tabs so we can actually show this. Let me just actually open up the settings and then the extensions over here. So for example, let's say I now want to make a group between these add-ons and then the settings. So you want to click on the first one you want to group, and then on the second one while holding down your shift key. So hold down the shift key, click on the second one here, or I think you could do it with the control key as well. Yeah, there we go. And then you want to right click, add tabs to group, and then here you can click new group, and then you can do, for example, here I'm going to type in settings, I'm going to set different color, and I'm going to click on done. And now these tabs have been basically put into this specific group over here, and then I can just go ahead and find different ones, and here they're going to be put on top. And now I have these under settings over here, and I can of course either move them out or just basically close them down. So that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.